At Carepatron, we are constantly looking at ways to improve. If you have any feedback on how we can improve our videos and resources, please leave us a comment in the comment section below. Let's dive into the concept of the 8 Dimensions of Wellness, a framework that reflects how different aspects of our lives contribute to our overall well-being. Wellness is a dynamic, ever-changing process that affects how we feel, think, and engage with the world. When we prioritize it, we are better equipped to manage stress, build meaningful relationships, and experience personal growth. When neglected, imbalances can emerge, affecting both our mental and physical health. The 8 Dimensions of Wellness — physical, emotional, occupational, environmental, social, spiritual, intellectual, and financial — are critical to leading a balanced life. These dimensions offer a comprehensive view of an individual's overall health and are particularly helpful for mental health therapists when assessing their clients. Let's break them down briefly. Physical wellness. This focuses on maintaining good physical health through regular exercise, a balanced diet, and appropriate medical care. It's about how you take care of your body so you can function optimally. Emotional wellness. This deals with ability to express emotions healthily, build strong relationships, and cope with life's challenges. Occupational wellness. This is about finding fulfillment and satisfaction in your work, maintaining a positive work environment, and achieving work-life balance. Feeling content in your professional life plays a huge role in your overall happiness. Environmental wellness. This examines your surroundings, whether they promote safety, comfort, and positivity, or if they contribute to stress. Your living and working environments affect your mental and physical health more than you might think. Social wellness. This is centered around maintaining positive relationships, connecting with others, and being an active part of supportive communities. Healthy social connections are key to emotional well-being. Spiritual wellness. This reflects your sense of purpose, your values, and your ability to find meaning in life, whether through faith, nature, or personal reflection. Intellectual wellness focuses on staying mentally stimulated through learning and critical thinking. Engaging your mind regularly fosters growth and a sense of accomplishment. Financial wellness. This is about managing your money wisely, making informed decisions on spending, saving, and investing to ensure financial security. At Carepatron, we offer tools to help individuals assess and improve their wellness. One such tool is the Wellness Wheel, and here's how you can use it. Firstly, access the template. Start by opening or downloading the Wellness Wheel in the Carepatron app. You can customize it, print it, or share it digitally with your clients. Explain the worksheet. Guide your clients through the Wellness Wheel. Explain that they'll rate their satisfaction in each area of life on a scale of 1 to 10, giving insight into areas that need attention. Patient reflection. Allow them to reflect and complete the wheel, trusting their instincts when scoring each dimension. Discuss the results. Review their responses, focusing on areas with lower ratings, and explore why those areas might be lacking. This will help set priorities for wellness improvement. Track progress. Revisit the Wellness Wheel over time to track how the patient's satisfaction and well-being evolve, adjusting their wellness plan as needed. Additionally, the 8 Dimensions of Wellness Worksheet is another helpful tool for assessing and setting goals in each wellness area. By guiding clients through a reflection process, setting realistic goals, and tracking progress, you can help them achieve a balanced and fulfilling life. Using both the Wellness Wheel and the 8 Dimensions of Wellness Worksheet allow for a well-rounded, personalized approach to improving overall health and well-being. If you'd like to see a sample of our wellness resources, check out the example we've provided. And to explore more templates or learn how Carepatron can simplify your practice management, visit our website and sign up for free. If this video was helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and check out more of our content.